Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today, let's talk about simple yet effective ways to protect your car's starter motor and battery for a hassle-free drive. If the engine does not start, press the engine switch to select Lock Off mode and wait for more than 30 seconds before trying again for protection of the starter motor. This pause prevents overheating and protects key components. If the engine still doesn't start, contact Maruti Suzuki Roadside Assistance for help. Avoid push starting and multiple cranking. It can damage the catalytic converter and starter motor. Final tip: follow these steps to ensure safe and reliable operation. Drive smart with Maruti Suzuki Service. Maruti Suzuki Service, always by your side.